I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
You start now, remove any grips and power the controller off. Use a plastic pry tool to separate seams, apply steady pressure to avoid snapping clips. Once the case opens slightly, insert the pry tool further and work around the perimeter until the back lifts free. Make sure to keep small screws in a tray. Once open, pause to note the ribbon cable orientation and battery model printed on the old cell so you replace it with an exact match. You now isolate the battery. First, disconnect the battery connector by lifting the tab with a plastic spudger. This prevents shorting. Next, remove any screws holding the battery and gently peel or slide out adhesive. Do not yank. Once free, compare the replacement's voltage and connector shape to the old battery. Make sure polarity matches. If adhesives resist, warm the area slightly with your hand or a hairdryer on low to soften glue before you finish by seating the new battery in the same position and securing any screws. Reconnect the plug with the same orientation as before so pins align. Once connected, lightly press the case halves together and snap clips back into place, then reinstall screws in their original holes. Once reassembled, power on the controller and pair or plug into the switch. Make sure all buttons respond and battery charges. If it won't power on, reopen and confirm the connector is fully seated, as the primary trouble.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.